Hey y'all, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer clean and decorate with me video, and I'll be showing you guys how I clean my bedroom and my bathroom, and also how I kind of just add a little bit of decor to my bedroom for the summertime to bring some color to my room and just make it perfect for this time of the year. So to kick my cleaning routine off, I'm starting by swapping out my sheets. I always love to start off my week with freshly washed sheets. And if you guys can't tell, I love white linen. I love it so much. It just makes the bedroom look and feel bigger. And it also makes it super easy to swap out decor with every season because white is such a simple color. So yeah, I just took off my old sheets. I'm applying some new sheets, and I'm also going to put my duvet cover on my duvet and put that on my bed. So next, I'm going to wipe down my furniture, and I'll be using the Everspring all-purpose cleaner, and this is the lavender scent. I am trying to do better at using more natural products. I'm a work in progress, y'all, but I do really love this all-purpose cleaner, and it smells amazing. So yeah, I'm just wiping off my furniture with the microfiber towel in that all-purpose cleaner, and just kind of wiping and dusting everything off. Of course, my nightstands, my dresser, and also my desk. And after I wiped everything down, of course, I put everything back in its place. And my favorite way to end off just a few minutes of dusting and cleaning is to light my favorite candle. And I have been loving the copper coconut candle from Bath & Body Works. It smells amazing. And you guys will see it does go with my decor as well. So yeah, I'm being extra. Now I'm going to finish off my bed. So first, I'm going to take this 2-pack of decorative pillows from Home Goods and put it on my bed. I love the color. It's like a light orange color. It's not pink at all. It's more of like an orangish color, and I just love, love, love the texture. And this 2-pack of pillows, y'all, was $20. So that's not bad at all. And whenever I put it on the bed, I wasn't sure how I wanted to lay them out, but I ended up doing it to where I have my pillows in the back, and then the next row are 3 white Euro pillows, and then in the front are the 2 orange pillows. And I just love the pop of color that it gave. It was perfect. Next, I have a lightweight throw blanket that I got from HomeGoods. And this color, as you guys can tell, matches my pillows. I really kind of wanted to go for just a very airy orange color. So this throw blanket here matched perfectly, and it is very lightweight, so I can use it even now during the summertime. And I just simply put it at the foot of my bed so that way I can just easily get to it and grab it whenever I want to use it, during the week. And then finally, my last decor item for my bedroom was this really beautiful faux floral arrangement that I got from HomeGoods. And the best part was that this floral arrangement was on sale, so it was only $10. Can we say a win? It was perfect, and it really did help tie my whole entire room together because it had the white, the green, and the orange. So after I got all of my decor placed and situated, the last step I had to do for my bedroom was to vacuum, and vacuuming is pretty much a daily thing for me. I wish it was weekly, but I have a whole toddler walking around. So I try to do this daily or as much as I possibly can. And let me just say, y'all, if you guys don't have a cordless vacuum, I would highly recommend one because it makes cleaning up messes and just cleaning up your house so much easier. This one I got from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it down below. But it's like half the price of the Dyson vacuums, and it works just as good. And once I finish vacuuming, this is how my room looks. I love it so much. It's very feminine. I love the pop of color. And whenever I walk in my room now, I just get so excited about just laying in bed because it feels so cozy, and it's just like perfect for me. So yeah, that was a few simple ways of how I transitioned my bedroom for the summer. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And now let's move on to the bathroom. So first things first, I'm clearing out my mess and putting everything where it's supposed to go. Usually by cleaning time, I have just stuff everywhere because in the morning I'm in a rush and I forget to put stuff where it's supposed to go. So that is exactly what I'm doing now. Next, I'm going to use that same all-purpose cleaner that I used in my bedroom to wipe down my counters. And I did go ahead and swap out my microfiber towel for a more durable and sturdier one, so that way I can really get the grime up and just any kind of dirt that may have accumulated over the week. And I always make sure to not only wipe down my counters, but also the sink area, because that area can get dirty and I love for it to stay white and spotless. So I make sure to always get the counter, the faucet, the knobs, just everything. So that way everything just looks nice and clean and polished. Moving on to my mirror, I'll be using the Everspring glass cleaner to wipe down my mirror, get up all the spots, and I did swap out my microfiber towel again for one that is softer and will not leave any streaks. And if you're wondering why I have so many microfiber towels, it's because I bought like a 6-pack from Target, and in that pack it has 2 glass cleaner microfiber towels, 2 towels that are for dusting and polishing furniture, and 2 heavy duty microfiber towels that are for, picking up dirt, picking up grease, picking up grime, and things like that. Because I had just cleaned out my toilet a couple of days ago, I skipped that step, but I did make sure to dump out my trash. Last but not least, I needed to vacuum my floors. I had actually just mopped my floors a couple of days ago as well. Yes, I am one of those people who does sometimes clean on a whim and not necessarily on cleaning day. So there is one particular day where I just felt like cleaning my toilets, mopping, vacuuming, dusting the blinds. So if you also do this, please let me know that I'm not alone, because I do feel crazy sometimes whenever I have the urge to clean just like certain things at 9 o'clock at night, which is exactly what happened to me. And after I have put everything back where it's supposed to be, that concludes my cleaning routine for my bathroom. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved doing it for you guys. And stay tuned for a summer clean and decorate with me video for my living room and kitchen. That one will be fun as well, so stay tuned for that. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye guys.